Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. Welcome returning subscriber friends, and welcome if you are new. Today we have an exciting product. It is a red light therapy product, and you guys that know me know that I do like and use red light therapy. I have used several brands, but today I have a new red light therapy that is from Bontanny, and that is the name of it. I may be saying it wrong. It's Bontanny. That is the name of the company that has sent this over to me for review. Her name is Wendy. She specifically reached out to me and wanted to know if I would share this special red light therapy with you guys. It came in this box. It actually came in a bigger box inside this box, and I have not opened it, so we're going to open it today and we're going to find out which one we actually have. Guys, this company even has full body red light therapy. I don't know if you know much about red light therapy, but it's very good for you health wise. It is good for pain relief. It's good for to help with lines, aging. So we're going to find out more about what it is and what it can do for us. And I'm in the process of getting this box open. They've got it packed up really good. I just want to show y'all it's got foam there on top. And on the inside here, we have our machine along with some goggles. And this is the product. And I want to try to get all this plastic off. This is heavy duty. I just want y'all to know. I was going to say, did it come with instructions? I sure hope so. Here's our booklet. It's our user manual. We have the BR and BL series table stand, and it's the Bontanny is the brand, as I was telling you. So we could stand it right here, and that's what I'm hoping, so that we can all see it. And it's right here. Of course, this is the full vision of this size, and this is table. It does have a heavy duty stand with it. It's in white, and then you have your controls down here. And of course, you've got increase and decrease over here. You've got your power on, and then I told you it came with some goggles. So this is something that you would need to use your goggles with. It came with this power adapter. And I'm going to look in here and see if there's anything specific I need to know before we get started. I am going to tell you a little bit about this product and a little bit about red light therapy and what it does for you. And here's my model that I'm showing, and it is the BL300P. And I want you to see that they have several different ones, and it does make a difference on which one that you have as far as the way that the setup is. As you can see, here's some different models right here. Different models probably have different pricing, and ours is the table, and you can see, as I showed y'all, it has a platform to sit down on the table. And the features for this is dual chip LEDs, ultra thin and noiseless, digital control panel, medical grade light therapy, no EMF output at 3+ inches and no flicker, highest power consumption, red and Nair light, protective eyewear included in a 3-year warranty. But I want to show you here, they even have a hanging one, like if you want to just stand and have it positioned at different parts of your body. It's good for skin health, wrinkles, acne and wounds, joint and arthritis pain, weight loss, and muscle recovery. And I have heard it good for all those things. It helps with sleep and circadian rhythm. brain health and cognitive function. It boosts testosterone and thyroid function, which I have a low thyroid, so that would be very interesting for me. So there's lots of features with red light therapy, and you hear of people going and getting a full body light of light therapy. Now we have this plug-in, and I am going to plug this in. I do want to tell y'all about it, but I don't want to turn on the lights just yet. But I do want to kind of get it set up here. The plug-in is right here, and it goes in on the side here, just like this. And then we have, I want to say, a power box, and this probably helps regulate how much power is going to it. It's a safety feature, I'm pretty sure of that. So that is a good thing. And then of course we have our plug-in, and it goes into a regular 120 volts. And let me see if I can get it to reach over. I'll be right back. The cord is nice and long, and when I plugged it in, you can see it came on with a timer for 30 minutes. And that's typical for red light therapy. You usually get a timer going of about 30 minutes. And that's what we have with this. You can pick this up. It's not so heavy that you can't pick it up. I think it's around 8 pounds. And they did send some goggles here for us, or for me. But when you get the package, they always send these as a protectant for your eyes. And these are similar to what you would use, like, I think, as if you was going to a tanning place. They're a little bit softer. They're not hard like some of the ones you see at the tanning places. But I want to go over a little bit about the product itself before we turn it on, just to give you an idea of what it can do for you. Currently, right now on Amazon, this runs $179.99, so it's affordable. And that is a good thing. It is the table size, so you can stand it easily next to you. And it's high iridescent red light therapy. Our red light therapy devices features flicker-free 68-piece powerful dual-chip LEDs and all-metal construction, delivering a high-efficiency phototherapy of 126 MW/cm2 at 6 inches, and an area can reach 10 to 12 inches. This means you can say goodbye to spa treatments and enjoy faster and more effective treatments at home. The ultra-thin and noiseless experience is an ultimate convenience and comfort. Ultra-thin and double-folding adjustable stand is suitable for home, office, and gym. So you can say goodbye to the distraction, and there's no noise, as I told you earlier. It's safe to use. Our infrared light therapy uses safe 0 EMF at 3-inch red and near infrared light that can be safely applied to human skin, delivering results safely. And it's not harmful. So they recommend wearing the supplied protective glasses that come with it when using. It's scientifically wavelength. So the Bontanny red light therapy for face uses clinically validated red and near infrared wavelengths from 660 and 850 nanometers, and that's what NM stands for, ensuring highest level of effective and safety for your skin. And it's got multiple health benefits that I was talking about earlier. You can use it for multiple health benefits, including skin health, increased blood flow, enhanced recovery, improved mental clarity, pain relief, sleep optimization, reduced signs of aging, and muscle recovery after exercise. And that's a little bit about it. It goes on more to say that Bontanny is an innovative factory of red light therapy. We help people to improve their health and quality of life, which won praise from millions of customers and technology. Why choose it? Because the design is R&D, QC, sales, after sales support, all by Bontanny. So they're going to be right there. Bontanny's going to be right there with you if you experience any technical difficulties or anything. It shows that you can use this like if you're doing yoga or something like that, and I'll show a picture up there running across the screen. It's good for promoting psychological effects such as good blood circulation, tissue. It's anti-aging on the skin, improves metabolism, helps recover muscles, reduces joint pain, enhances physical vitality, improves insomnia, immunity improvement, and improves joint health. And then they've got all kinds of sizes, like I was telling you, all the way up to full body size. And it says we recommend you use the light 1 to 2 times a day, keeping a distance of 3.9 to 11 inches and not exceeding 30 minutes of use at a time. Most importantly, wear the complimentary eye mask while using. Now, with all that said, which is a lot, I'm going to turn this on, but first I'm going to put on these goggles and see how that is. And I am going to have the light toward you, but you may want to look away. I'm not sure. So I'm going to turn this on and see what happens. And I've got it facing you all instead of me. Oh my, okay guys, I had to change that to face me because I don't want to blind you. It blinded the whole screen. And these are the mask or the goggles, and I think I can tighten them. And as you can see, and I can't see you guys, but you can see that it is throwing an awful lot of light on me. And this would be good for my skin. I'm going to take off my necklace because I think this would be good. Red light therapy is good for, I think, eczema and psoriasis. And you can see that it puts off a lot of light. And this is going to help with all kinds of things. And you can have this sitting at your office. Like I could be sitting at my desk. I could have this on. And of course now I would have to have these goggles on if I'm using it. But it showed pictures where people were doing work with like their back toward them so that they're getting the light on their arms, not necessarily facing them. So you can use this in several different ways. I don't feel any heat, and it might help with my age spots on my hands. So I mean, like I could sit here for 30 minutes if I wanted to and just have it going on my hands and my face here along with my décolleté here. So this is a machine that you can use full body, and that's why they have different sizes. And some people buy the hanging one so that they can direct the red light to different parts of the body, because it also says it was good for joints and for muscle pain and things like that. So I'm going to reach over here and turn this off because we can see clearly that it's working. But as you can see, I was getting lots of light on me. So the red light therapy was throwing out the waves in the 660 nano. I don't remember the exact name, but anyways, this is a great product. I can tell you that they've got scientific proof behind it. And you hear about this advertising for red light therapy all over the place. And this is an easy and safe way to get red light therapy in your home on different parts of your body. And they, like I told you, they have travel size, they have this table size right here, they have full body size, and I did look up the full body size. It's like $1,299. So I know that sounds expensive, but if you're going for a treatment and you're doing full body, it might be cheaper for you to have full body at $1,299 in your home, or purchase this for $179 and do parts of your body instead. So Wendy, I want to thank you for sending this over to me, and I'm going to have their links down in my description for Amazon and their website, so you can go over and check it out and do more investigation on this red light therapy product. And again, this product model is the table stand model, and it is model BL-300P. P is in Paul, and I'll have that across there as well. But this is the Bontanny Red Light Therapy, and I want to thank again Wendy for sending this over to me for review and to try it out. And I can't wait to use this more often. So this is going to be really great. And what do you think? Have you ever seen anything like this? Have you ever thought about trying anything like this at home? If you have, I can tell you this is well made just from what I can see, and it's shipped to you in perfect condition, and then they have great customer service if you're having any problems with your machine. So that's pretty much it. I just want to thank you all for joining me today, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And as for today and the Bontanny Red Light Therapy, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.